What's up? Welcome to tonight's live stream. I'm him. And it's just late, so I don't really have much of a plan other than I'm like, let me stream. It's been a few days, at least a few days, maybe a week. So I have a few things that I need to get figured out or get sorted. Turns out that after Google shut down Google domains, they sold it off to Squarespace. I don't remember having an account with Squarespace, but I figured out that I think I do. And I discovered that my domain had lapsed because they didn't have my credit card info. I put it back in, but for whatever reason, I've been unable to renew. So I got to figure that out. And also, I got to get started on my little project that I've been working on that I've kind of paused for a little bit, the software that I was developing. So I got to figure out where that is and maybe start taking it a little bit more seriously and planning some stuff out, because one of my problems I've basically solved by not dealing with it in the first place, and that is to do all of the hosting. I'm gonna host it locally on this Mac Studio here. So forward thinking is when the M4 Mac Studio comes out, I'll buy that, and that'll be my main machine. This M1 Ultra will get shelved and over there in the TV center, and I will connect to it over SSH, and I can use it to run my own stuff. And I pay a company, some of you may have heard of it, it's called Ngrok, to give me tunneling, so I can basically expose that particular computer, that particular port on the public internet. So I'm not really too worried about what happens if people hack. I don't give a shit. It won't have anything personal on it. But yeah, so there's a lot of things that need to get sorted. I need to buy an airplane ticket because I have to fly out somewhere. But the times are hard. Anyway, it's me complaining now. Oh, and another thing, I'm streaming in 4K today. So things may look different, or at least they should look different. Okay, I need to figure out how to rebuy this domain or do something. It's not clear. My email stopped working. I just found this out today. It hasn't been working for a month. I just thought I was getting, I don't know, I thought all my filters and all of my things were working correctly. Turns out, no, I just wasn't getting email. So that may explain a lot. Maybe it's not going to show my stuff. Huh? So it knows my name, but it doesn't know any other things. That's interesting. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's put in my information. So wait, it had my credit card info, but it didn't have my address. That's interesting. This is interesting. I just put in some of my stuff today. Couldn't process the payment. Ah, yes. I used this thing called, I can't share this because it has one of my addresses on it. But I used this thing called X1, the X1 credit card. It's pretty dope. What it allows you to do is create these virtual credit cards. And I created one today, but I put the max spending amount to what, $75, I think. Oh, $25, no wonder. Okay. So what I have to do is update this to be however much money this is going to be, which is like $70 something. Or no, it's actually 140. Yeah, it's just $140. So we'll edit the limit 150. Okay, so this should go through this time. Oh, it's tax free. That's interesting. But it's still not going through. Interesting. I'm gonna re-enter the credit card number. I think that was the same. All right, maybe it'll work this time. Maybe it just took a second. I don't know. I need to remove that song from my playlist. All right, so it's not working. Shit. Well, there goes my endorsement for X1. Apparently, it's not working. I definitely have I only owe $60 on this. Yeah, it looks like the limit is 28,000, so I'm definitely well below the limit. All right, well, I'll do that another day. I was hoping I can solve my, well, shit, no, I need to solve my email issue. I actually have to solve my email issue. I have things that go to that email. God damn it. I'm gonna see if I can just start a site to get it to give me the domain, because I already put in my payment info. So for whatever reason, it seems like the Squarespace domain site isn't connected to this. I don't know. This is confusing as hell. Here, let me close out of here. All right, domains dashboard. Yeah, I don't understand. When I click edit, nothing happens. So I'm just gonna click this and hope that it will, I don't know, it'll just do the things. Oh my gosh, okay, so this, is it because it's locked? Is it because I locked it? This is confusing. Oh my gosh, I really don't know what to do. They put a lot of effort into making it seem very slick, but how do I get my domain again? Oh shit, wait a minute. Did they break my email shit too? Let me move this off just in case. Ah, shit. They broke my email stuff too. Fuck. For what it's worth, like, I didn't ask for my stuff to be transferred to Squarespace. This is Google Domains fucking threw me under the bus. And I didn't deal with it. So part of it is my fault, maybe. I only accept partial responsibility for this shit. What do you mean you can't fucking process the payment? I'm gonna create a new card. So we're gonna delete this current Squarespace card and yeah, cancel. So I'll just create another one. All right, it's not. Oh my gosh, it's not working. I'm not using the real credit card here. I'm gonna see if I can create. Privacy has a way to create virtual credit cards as well, but I would prefer to not use that. I prefer to use my X1 card because that's what I bought it for, or not. That's what I got it for, rather. Alright, so let's bring this over here because this is interesting. I know that this isn't my credit card. I'm looking at my balance. It's effectively zero. It's $60. That's what I owe for the month. And all of my other payments have gone through. July 23rd is the last one for OpenAI. Vercel, Superhuman, Adobe, Slack, GitHub. Yeah, they're all coming through. Except for the Squarespace thing. What's going on with this? Is it my name? Maybe? It doesn't like the R? Oh, 08/27. Man, if I can't get my email to work over something stupid like this, my gosh. You know what? I'm going to make the monthly limit $100. Maybe that's what it's complaining about. Maybe somehow they know what the limit is. All right, so I just set it to $100 now. It still doesn't work. All right, I'm gonna set the limit to 150. Yeah, we'll just do 200. Yeah, it's just not working. The fuck? Okay. Well. I won't fix my email today. That is kind of unfortunate. I think I need my email to, like, I really need it for certain things. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do. Oh man, this means that there are going to be certain things that I'm going to be unable to log into at a certain point. Man, this really needs to get addressed quickly. I'm probably going to have to just call them and talk to them directly, because this seems like an issue with a transfer. And I can't, there's actually certain things that I can't do now. Shit. I don't think there's anything from my app that requires email. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Kyle? How you doing? Something's weird about some of these, so I'm spending a lot of time on them. Interesting. Working late. Garage door broke. Man. Yeah, that sucks. Email was down. Just FYI. Remember the whole Google show, they sold off domains? Well, now I have to deal with it for real, but now as I attempted to deal with it, I'm unable to pay Squarespace. They keep denying my credit card. And I know that it's not because I'm looking at my balance, it's basically zero. And every other thing works. So yeah, I'm gonna have to call them and get this sorted over the phone, most likely. I wonder what problems this is even like. What the fuck? When did this break? It's like checking in. I don't know. Let's do. I'm gonna have a clean script. Modules. Is that what it is? Hit them. They're not here. I think it's node modules. Maybe that's all I need to remove. Yeah, for now. Yeah, that's probably gonna be it for now. I'm pretty sure there's a build folder somewhere that I maybe should remove. We'll see. Permission denied. Is it not trying? Oh gosh, shit. Well, I'm glad permission was denied. Should be. I thought this ran in the local directory. Maybe that's not the case. Wait, permission denied again? Yeah, we're gonna go on to the next thing. All right, what the fuck? How? Wait, whoa. How am I being denied? Man, that's gonna be the theme. Bro, like so far I'm not a fan of Squarespace. But it also could be me. Like, I'm being denied everywhere right now. I'm being denied access to my own system. Alright. I should have changed permissions, but whatever. I don't care. So let's see. We're no longer node modules. Do this yarning again. ESLint not running. What do you mean? I don't even see ESLint in here. Is it because that's no longer working? Maybe. I don't know. Wait a minute. Did it? What the fuck? Did I do it here? Okay, I did it here. Okay, all right. So I guess it just had bad state. I don't know. That was weird. Okay, well, sure. Now it's working. See what all just happened, because I don't know. Yeah, that okay. Use client. Sure. The linter did this. Okay, so basically nothing's happened. All right, now I can finally get to what I'm thinking. All right, so far this works. When I start a stream, so long as this is running in the background, it will go and fetch the stream. It'll go and create my pull request. It'll go and create the note template. It'll do all of that stuff. And it's also, it's mapped, or it's working with shortcuts. So I'm using Apple shortcuts to make an HTTP request to the server. Now, the other part that's working, but it's not automated, is the flow, the transcription. Basically, that's the whole process of getting the video and then stripping the audio from the video, resampling that audio, and then running it through Whisper to produce a transcription of that audio. So that's what this endpoint is going to do. It's going to transcribe the video. Now here's the thing. So far, I'm not storing any information that would be able to help me do this locally. All right, so I want to be able to say like where this is relative to the server or to some known path. It's probably going to be to some known path. I think that's the easiest way to do this. So if I do to some known paths, I just got to make sure that the name follows a pattern. Yeah. Let me go and fix that right quick. All right, so I'm going to need some type of preferences so that I can, actually I have that actually, now I think about it. So right now the preference is not stored local, or I'm sorry, it's not stored in the app. And maybe I should, or maybe, I don't know, maybe I will continue to lean more into having as minimal of a surface area for my app as possible and trying to lean on some of the other infrastructure I have. For instance, the GitHub repo. We'll go into devlog here. And this PR is created by the bot, but there's also this right here, this YT Slack bot. And this is where configuration exists for right now. So right now there's this template, but maybe there could be other things. Maybe there could be a settings file or something like that. And I can use, this is for you, Kyle, because I know you love YAML so much. I can use YAML, but I won't. I'm gonna use Pickle. That's not it. No, this isn't it either. How do you, is it literally Pickle? Oh, it's PKL. There we are. Yeah, I can use PKL. I'm not saying I will. Honestly, I'll probably just keep a regular ass text file. It just doesn't need to be that complicated. But this gives me a schema, so that there is a benefit. You know, it gives me a schema. Let's see. Let's just look at Java. Oh, never mind. It doesn't give me a schema. It looks like they only have the bindings for these languages, which that kind of sucks. Oh well. So I could put some file in here, essentially, and that can have information like where are the videos stored, or I can store that in the database, which I should have access to right now. So inside of the GitHub install, or maybe this wouldn't be part of the install. Maybe this would just be straight up like part of the profile here. And yeah, the integration configuration, right? So maybe what I do here is, wait, why is, oh, I see. Ah, shit. It looks like I need to basically delete this user and recreate it, but I can't do it now because I lost the access to my email. I will do that soon though. But what I would do is add a new property here, and that could be the location where the bot, the server, because it's going to be running locally, where should it look for files? And I can, you know, lock things down to where this only has access to file set, or down a directory that I say, you know, so that, you know, you can inject stuff into here. Using the file name, because I'm gonna have to, actually no, I won't have to get the file name from anyone. I think, no, I'm gonna have to just scan a folder. That's what I'm gonna end up having to do. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to come up with a naming pattern and stick to it, and I don't trust myself to do that. And let me see if I can find that X right here. So these are, oops, these are my recordings. Go to another view. And I don't know why these SRT files are here, but these are my recordings right now. And if you look at the title, which is here, like, you know, Ecamm live recording on 2024-07-20, that's what Ecamm names these things. Now, after the fact, when I transfer them over into my content directory, we'll go here, footage, and we should have streams for this month. So when they get put, oh, okay, never mind. I was gonna say normally what I would do, let me show what I normally do. So they get named just the date, you know, something like this. It's just the date. All right, so these are all on my NAS. Now, what I am also working on is automating some other flows. So let me kind of show some of that. Chronosync. So I have two of these tasks here, but what will also happen in the future is there will be another task that will go through my Ecamm footage essentially and move that over into my NAS in the correct folder hierarchy and all that kind of good stuff based on the date. Now, what I don't know if I can rename these things. That's neither here nor there. All right. So yeah, the parameter that I need to hand off to the tool that's going to split audio out of the video is I need the file path. So I wonder if there's a way to get that name from Ecamm somehow. Like if Ecamm were able to tell me within the Apple shortcut, because they have this Apple shortcut that they are calling, if it were able to hand off some information that I can, let me see, maybe this Apple shortcuts do that. So this is it here. We'll edit it. It doesn't seem like there is a way to get input. Like, could this be a environment variable, right? Like if this is something where shortcut input. Maybe this is somewhere I'm going to have to just figure out how shortcuts work. Well, in the absence of being able to be told, here's the file path, I guess the next best thing is to just get the path to where all of the files could exist, and then just use a heuristic and say that transcribe will always transcribe the latest thing. Or I could literally just pass the path in, like, or the name, and then it'll find it in the correct path. I think that could be the way forward. I don't know. The other stuff that I'm going to have to do is bind into FFmpeg into the server here, JavaScript. So instead of me doing that myself, I'm going to see if there's currently JavaScript bindings for FFmpeg. I'm trying to see if this particular library, where's my mouse? This library is creating a separate process for for every invocation. I could just download it and see, but I mean, that's too much effort. This is promising controlling the FFmpeg. Does that mean that there's only one? Kill any running FFmpeg process. No. All right, I guess I'm just gonna use it. Is this TypeScript? Hopefully, maybe. Of course not. Let's see if it has types, because this is gonna be interesting without types. What would it be? GitHub. Definitely. Or did they change it? Just search GitHub directly. Oh, there's a typed version of it, but it looks like it's not maintained. Oops. Oh well, we got it anyways. Alright, what is the name of that? Let's come out of here. Fluent FFmpeg. All right, looks like it's here. All right, yep, there are types, so we're good. All right, let's go ahead and install it. I wonder, can I resample audio with FFmpeg? If I can resample audio using FFmpeg, that simplifies my life, because right now I'm using a tool called Sox, which the interface is awesome. I'm not even gonna lie, I prefer the interface. But if I can use just one tool and not have to create bindings, that would be great. I've done bindings once in my life, and I don't really want to do it again. All right, what is this thing called? It's my something playlist. Playbook, maybe. Oh, okay, I never did the video part. All right, well, I'm gonna have to do that soon. Yes, I'm using FFmpeg to actually pull out the audio, but then I'm using Sox to resample it. So if I can do everything with an FFmpeg, that would be the ideal thing to do. And it looks like maybe I can do it. Okay, yeah, I think I can do it. Let's try. Do I have any trash videos I don't care about? Where is my Finder window? Okay. One of these can be short, right? Yeah, we're gonna take this 95 megabyte one. This is easy. Yeah, we'll take this one. And we'll call it tests. Move it to desktop. Get rid of all this other stuff. Yeah, that too. I'll hide this for now. Okay, so we'll open up another terminal. Not that terminal. All right. Jump into desktop and make All right, so it looks like I will have to do the transcription, or not the transcription, this part first. So we'll do that. So we'll say ffmpeg and -i. The source is test. All right, okay, I don't know what was up with that. And I want this to be test.wave. And then we're going to, this is what I'm like, it would be, I should be able to I should be able to create like a pipeline. I don't know how to do that right now. So what I'm gonna do is put the -ar and we'll say 44, what does it have to be? 16K. Okay, yeah, so we'll put 16,000. And I think that's it. I think I don't even need this other part here. I think I can do this in a one line. Nope. No, it's not liking that. Error opening no such file. I see. So maybe I need to put the -i. Oh, I see. So it goes here. -ar and then 16. Okay, so that seems to have worked. Let's see. Open it here as well, because maybe I think I have an extension that should give me the option to use media info. Maybe not. Let's see. Open with media. Well, I can open it with. All right. So what do we get? Let's do the bigger breakdown. Overall bit rate, yeah, I don't care. 16 all right, look at that. Yeah, 16 kilohertz. So that works. Alright, so we're gonna put AR16 right there. Yeah, so no need for socks anymore. That's a big one. All right, so now that I'm for sure that this part is working, the next thing to do, okay, yeah. The next thing to do is to move this binary, the compilation into here, or there might be a npm package that will do that for me. So let's see if there is one. Hopefully, it's not that big of a deal for me to do it myself, but if I don't have to, I won't. So yeah, I don't know if Node, like I haven't used this yet. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do all of what I just did using their Fluent API, which I don't know if they have docs. We'll say that they have docs. What's next? I want to see if there is a Node Whisper CPP, like the bindings. Yes, look at that. Last update was 2023. All right, let's see. Do they link to Whisper here? Whisper CPP. Well, they just released something, so it's probably not that. I wonder if there isn't one. Let's see, Node, Whisper, CPP bindings. This is what they're giving me, but this hasn't been updated in a while. It's the one I was just looking at. Come on, like, just fucking go to the thing. All right, let's see if there's any PRs. Yeah, it seems like it's not well supported. Yeah, he's saying just use child process, but they're using CMake to do this. I have no idea what Node add-on API is. What is this Node add-on API? All right, it's part of Node.js. Okay. Contains header only C++ wrapper classes, which imply the use of C. Oh, okay. So this is how. Okay, I would just. All right. These are different from the bindings that I've done though. These seem different. I used what was it? Pi. Shit. I forgot the name of the thing. It'll come to me one day, I'm sure. Provided by Node.js when using C++, it provides C++ object model exception handling semantics. Okay, all right. Well, this seems to be what I should do. This right here. So let's just add on CPP. I suppose I need that too. Maybe. Let's try it. Let's just and let's do the things. So it looks like I have to go into my package JSON and add CMake and dev dependencies, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go to their package. Yeah, I need this right here, so I'll just take this. And I need the node add-on API, I guess. So we'll do both of those. I don't need Jest. That's what they're using for testing, I think. All right, yeah, they're just, test Jest. Okay. So I'll just install those dependencies and then I can run this npx thing. All right. I thought if you use npx, you didn't have to install things, but maybe that's not the case. CMake.js npm log this package. I don't know if I care. And we'll see if there's a later version. Yeah, there is. Okay. And yeah, this is supposed to. All right, that may work. That may work. So we'll try npx CMake.js. Compile. This is probably going to be put in a script soon. All right. All right, so this add-on.node thing is making me concerned that maybe I need to have a file here called add-on.node in the root of my directory. So before I run this, I'm gonna add that. What is this right here? CMake list. Oh, I need to have this. Oh, okay, yeah, there's a whole thing here. All right. So this is wait a minute. It's in a folder called add-on. .node. I don't know if it needs to be called add-on.node. I'm going to call it that, but I don't know if that needs to be called this, and I think this needs to be a directory. So I'll remove that. Add-on.node, and the file that I need to create is a CMake list something. Wait, did that not do it? Okay, that's weird. All right. All right, let's take a look at that. What's that doing? Add definitions, include directory, CMake.js. Okay, add library. Command node, require node add-on. API, include working directory. Place node add-on API directory. So I guess I don't know how that figures out that part yet, but we'll figure it out soon. I think I need this thing right here. So this is the add-on.cpp. fuck is this? All right, index.js. This may be something I'll need to edit later. We'll see. What? Why is this so weird? All right. I think that should be it. Let's run the thing now. Yeah, okay, yeah, add on that note, yeah, all right. Using Unix make files, building only the add-on.node target. All right, we got some files. Build has failed. CMake executable is not found. Please use our system's package manager. Yeah, sure. Just do the things. Okay. I thought installing CMake.js would do that. Do I need to install CMake? Let's see if that's even a thing. Oops. Is it this? I guess I needed to also have CMake installed on this machine. I know make is installed. I assumed that was the same thing, or there would be an alias to that. I guess not. All right, I'm gonna take a chance and bet that this doesn't have to be called add-on.node. Maybe I'm gonna call it whisper.node. Maybe, we'll see. And then the only thing that would need to change is this would be called whisper.node. All right, so just installed. Let's see if I can do this without. Okay, let's just clear the shell and we'll do another one. Oops. CMake is not found. It's definitely here. I wonder if there's a verbose mode. This is interesting. Let me see what CMake.js is doing. Can I just circumvent it? Don't see the dash. Oh, here it is. Dash C, path of make executable. Oh, could that be it? Is it? Wait a minute. Yeah, it's saying that this executable isn't found. Am I supposed to have an executable in here anywhere? I only see this right here, that right here, and this index. I don't see anything else. Let's see what's in this test. What is that doing? That's not helpful to me right now. Yeah, they're very adamant of compiling it with this, so I will compile it with that. Okay. This is a me mistake. I'm doing dash C. I thought that's what I want is dash T, like push a T. All right, and this isn't necessary. I don't know where that came from. All right, and then whisper node release. All right, well, there's a different error. That's good. Let's see what we're getting. All right, build has failed. Trying to do a full rebuild. CMake, E, remove directory, Slackbot build, configure. Users, CMake lists dot text not found. Why is it saying OMG? Isn't this what it's called? CMake lists? It's like it doesn't know where it is. Maybe I need to be in the directory. Let's try that. So we'll go in the whisper whatever node directory. Is that what I need to do? Maybe. And we'll try running it here. All right, this is different. It seems to be working. All right, I'll read these. All right, it failed anyways. All right, what is it telling me now? Oh, this is cool. It's telling me all the commands that it's doing. All right, it's warning dev. No project command is present at top level CMake list. File must contain a literal direct call to the project command. Project name. Okay. Gosh. Oh, wait a minute. This is also wrong here too. This isn't going to be that is going to be this whisper.node. So what I want to do is find all references of this. Just do one of these little things and replace with whisper.node. This may be the only one, but it's the only way to be sure. All right, and my add-on CBP is the thing that's doing the thing. So I think that's good. I'll save that and try it again. I expect it to still fail, but maybe slightly different result. Well, except for this bit. So, CMake error, CMake list, line 13. Include cannot find requested file. All right, what's that? Default target option, what's that? I don't know what that is. Anyway, let's do the first thing. I don't know why I need to do this project thing though. We'll say whisper. .node. Let's see if it'll leave me alone, or is it gonna fail with the project thing again? Okay, project. CMake minimum required should be called prior to the top level project. CMake minimum required. Okay, sure. What's the thing? Require minimum version of CMake. I just put a number here. I don't know what version. God dang. What version of CMake do I have? Okay. Three. All right. So we'll just say 3.30. That. See if that'll leave me alone with that warning. Should be called prior. Oh, okay. Call with an unknown argument. What the okay. Does it actually know the versions? These docs are trash. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to put here. All right, I'm gonna ignore that error. It's not affecting me. In fact, I'm deleting both of it. It's not gonna, I can suppress the warnings, but this I can't. So it's failing here, which means that it must be failing before that, maybe here. All right, well, what the hell are default target options? See if that's part of CMake. No, it's not. Okay. So where does that come from? What happens if I just comment it out? Will it let go and work? It fails, but different failure. Gets further. All right, I'm gonna, oops. Yeah, I know it fell, but I don't care. I'm gonna copy this command. I just wanted to make sure that that worked before I threw this inside of my package JSON up here. Wait, what? We're getting this again? Oh, yes. I forget. Yeah, of course we're getting that again. So we want to cd into what's this directory? Whisper node. And then we want to do those things. Yeah, cool. Too many errors emitted. I wonder if that has anything to do with these defaults that I commented out. So we're gonna re-add those. Yeah, this is a lot simpler to deal with. Okay. So we're still failing. Try to move this to that. No, that's not what I wanted. None of this is what I want. Oh well, we'll keep it as is. I wonder, do I need to have whisper here as well? I probably do. Yeah, that's probably it, because I think that this stuff here is with, it's inside of the whisper stuff. See, make JS. See, I don't know what this is. Where is this being set? All right, we're gonna ask ChatGPT some things. Okay, so there should be another script in here called whatever they're talking about. All right, so let's go back. This could be, oh, come on now. Shit, now it's going slow. All right, while this loads there, I will look at it here. So we'll go here, code and color, whisper, and let's see if there is a default something. I don't see it. But let's take a look at the, oh wait, there's a CMake list here? Interesting, okay. So that's the missing piece, is that maybe there is a file called this. So we're gonna look for that. And what do you know? It exists inside of a folder. Wait. Yeah, inside of a folder called CMake. Why didn't I see that? Oh, okay, it's there. Build type CMake. All right, so maybe that's part of the move. Is that maybe this needs to be in that directory as well. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to clone it over there. No, that's probably not the good. That's not a good move. Yeah, I could use this. Yeah, I'm going to copy it for now just to see if I can get it to work. And we'll delete all of the Git stuff and the build. Where's that at? Where's? I don't see. Oh yeah, and this part right here, or not. Maybe I'll keep it there. We'll see. All right, so let's do that. So we'll go out a few directories and we'll copy Whisper into YT Slackbot. Yeah, we'll do that. Well, yeah, I know it's a directory. Just is it -D or is it -R? Maybe it's -R for directory. And let me just check. Yeah, it is R. Okay. Just want to confirm before I do something and jack up something. All right. Now what I want to do is move whisper.node. Ah, shit, that's not what I meant to do. I want to move whisper node into whisper CPP. Like so. Wait, what? Wait, I'm so confused. Illegal option -R. Is it -D again or something? Oh, maybe I don't need to do anything. All right. We'll just move. All right, I guess that was it. All right, we'll go into that and we should see our whisper now. Yeah, we do. Perfect. Okay. So I wonder if now I will see it. So I got to go into package JSON and update the path. So we don't want to go into here. We want to go into CPP and whisper.node like that. Let's see if we get any difference. It's still telling me this. So I wonder if there is some other automation or something going on that I need to be aware of. Yeah, all these examples use it. So there's this CMake thing that they have. Like they have a CMake list in here. So I'm now wondering if this is moving stuff around into those example things. Let's see. Examples. What's the name of that? Yeah, examples. If whisper build examples, add subdirectory examples. Whisper build examples. Whisper standalone. Option build shared libraries. So what I'm wondering is that because there's a separate make and CMake thing, like this is CMake. Oh wait, where am I at? I'm looking at the wrong thing. Never mind. So yeah, this is CMake, and then there's this CMake list here. And I'm wondering if I need to run this first, or should I just throw... Let me see if this works. Let me see if their thing works. And that's probably a good first step. So we'll go into examples. What is this? Add-on node. And we'll run the command that they were saying to run, which I forgot what it is. So we will open it up here. So we want to run this right here after running npm install. And I will use npm here because it's installing it locally in this directory. Okay, we'll do the npx thing. Yeah, it breaks here. Okay, yeah, theirs doesn't work either. So the example doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to figure out why. Let's see, by me, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. I don't understand why this interface is so tiny. It's so hard to read, and I can't make it bigger. Yeah, well, I guess I can make that part bigger, but not the actual UI, just the content. All right, anyway, but I received the following error. All right, so I am going to modify, not theirs, I'm going to modify mine, which is in, where is it at? I don't see it. This here. Okay, so the path to whatever this is, and I don't know if I can use relative paths. I hope I can, but I'm not going to rely on it. I'm just going to find it here. So we'll go out one directory into CMake, and we'll grab that. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we'll take that, the full path. And then we'll just dump it here. Then eventually I'll figure out what the relative path is. But yeah, this should be good for now. And then we're going to run the build again. And I should be able to just run it here anywhere because it's targeted to, I don't know what I'm saying. Let's just run it. Okay. It's just different. All right, this is a warning. I don't care. Which I thought I was suppressing these. I could have swore that I am suppressing those. I am suppressing these. Maybe it's the wrong location. Maybe I'll put it here. But it didn't fail with the same issue, so let's figure out why it failed. Common.h file not found. Common.h file not found. I'm pretty sure there's a file in here called common.h somewhere. Yeah, there's definitely a common.h. Or maybe not. They're all including common h, but I don't see the actual header file anywhere. Let's roll out all CPP files. Yeah, oh wow, yeah, there isn't a header file here. But yet they all included. Is common just no. So one thing that's still the case while I'm in this Whisper directory is that this is a separate repo. So if I do this git status here, or maybe I shouldn't do that, we git show remote. Or is it git remote? Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is a different thing. So we'll do a, we'll pull the upstream branch. Because I'm looking at the latest version of their stuff on the repo. You asked to pull from remote but not specify a branch. Okay. What's the branch? Is it main? Is that what they call theirs? Wait, what? What do they call theirs? Is it not main? Oh, it's master. Okay. All right, well, that explains it. So I'm on my version of master, I think. Or do I call them? I don't know what I call my version. So we're just gonna get merge. we're gonna merge main. So this is gonna be upstream. Or not main, master. Oh, okay. All right. The examples, yeah, we don't want that. So we'll remove examples, add-on node, package lock JSON, and the node modules. Okay, so I have the latest stuff now. So let's see if now I can build it without issue. Because now I have the latest things that they have. No, okay. Still no common. Okay, well, that's what I was hoping would be introduced. Was a common.h. No, there is a common.h. Ah, I see what's happening here. Now, I don't think that they included that in the add-on node, but it looks like maybe that needs to be there. Yeah, I'm just gonna add it and just see what happens. So we will copy that to Whisper node, and we'll also take the implementation. But it's only saying the header. Honestly, it shouldn't need the implementation. It should only need the header, since it's building bondings. So we'll remove that one. See if we get any further. Nope. It's still saying that it doesn't have this. Whisper node. Wait a minute. Whisper node add-on CPP fatal. Oh wait, no, it's here. That should be there. Whisper.h file not found. Where is it looking? There really isn't a common .h. Where's that coming from? They all include common H, but as far as I can tell, common H isn't anywhere in this repo. Unless it's renamed somehow. Let's see, maybe here. Common. No, let's go to the make file. The closest that I have to a common H is GGUML or GGML make or whatever that is. This common H. CP. Okay. GGM common H. This is the actual file. Let's see what it's exporting. Yeah, I don't see this being it because this right here looks like oh, no, never mind. I thought this was NVIDIA specific. It's not. Oh, metal. Okay. I wonder if I have to specify the target at all. All right, well, it looks like I'm not going to figure this out now. I don't know why that isn't working, but something tells me that I'm going to have to do a little bit more than just expect this to just work. I may have to work with their team maybe directly. Let's see if there are any issues for this. Note. Here we go. Node add-on 155. What version am I using? Is Node add-on different from Node add-on API? Should this have just been Node add-on? Is that its own thing? Oh, that's what I used to use. Node JIP. That's what I used to use. Not okay. All right, it came back to me now. No, that's just API. All right, so I don't know if that's it. Yo, what's up, Kyle Economist? How you doing? I'm not really working on anything. I'm just trying to figure out why. I don't know what I'm working on. I'm building something. I'm trying to get bindings built or an add-on. I don't know what an add-on is, but I'm trying to build a Node add-on so that I can access Whisper from within Node, so that I can do my transpilation process in this route right here. I've already pulled in FFmpeg and learned that I can do my resampling and splitting the audio out from video in one line using only one program instead of multiple, which is what I was doing in the past. So the next thing was like, oh, well, let me see if I can get Whisper to do the thing. And if so, then I can start figuring out the APIs for both. But I don't know what's going on right now. Oh wait, there's something that I need to address in the index as well, or the JS. Yeah. Ah, this could be something too. So it's not add-on.node, it's whisper.node. What else? Samples JFK. We don't care about that right now. Other stuff. Nope. I don't expect this to make a difference, but we'll run it anyways. Yeah, still same issue here. Oh, I'm curious. Can you tell that I'm streaming in 4K now? I wonder if it's. I'm not actually watching the stream. Normally I'll have it monitor it over here, but I never did that today. Excuse me. All right, where else could add on? Oh, fuck, that's not what? That was weird. Where else can add on be used at? Add on dot node. And I want to exclude anything in examples. Whisper CPP, whisper.node, add-on.node. Okay, that's fine. Whisper CPP, GitHub, Wait, so these are actually working, I guess, right? Are these tests? Apt-get, app install, cmake. Yeah, these, so this must be working on their end. Let's see, can we look at their actions? Look at the last one that worked. And what's the name of that job? This is example test. Okay. I definitely don't see that. When does this run? This is on push as well as on pull request. So each one of these, there should be one of those running on each one of these. Unless it's not part of CI and it's part of something else. Or that's probably not it. If I actually click on inside of here, maybe I'll see all of the different steps. Setup job, let's see. Image, runner image, nope. This doesn't seem like it either. Where's this file located? Whisper, CPP, GitHub workflows. It's workflow 1. No, it's examples workflow. I don't see that. Yeah, I don't see an examples anything here. This is saying that this is all workflows. Oh, it's okay. Now I see it. I'm dumb. Okay, let's take a look. All right. They're installing some packages. They're using Node 16. What other dependencies? Okay, this is on not this. Okay, that could be part of it. So I may have to figure out how to build this on a Mac. Compile add-on. Okay, this is useful because we can see all of their different things versus what mine may be doing. And we'll like get rid of this bar. Oh, you said your phone connection can't handle 4K, but does it still look better? Like, I understand that not everybody will be able to watch 4K because you also need YouTube Premium to watch 4K. But my assumption is because I'm now streaming at a higher resolution, the YouTube encoder has a much like a better source essentially to generate its downscaled version of the stream from. So my assumption is that it should be sharper or just higher quality overall than usual, but maybe not. I don't know, to be honest. That's what I'm asking. Of course, I'll take a look at it a little bit later as well, just to see. All right, so here's what I'm interested in right now. I want to take a peek at these right here, right? Because these flags, oh wait, let me make sure that I'm looking at the right CMake compile. Yep, cool. So I want to make sure that, you know, these are similar or the same, and if they are different, what are the differences and why? So I am going to find the part right before clean, because I see there's a clean here. And we're going to look for that. Do they run a command clean? Let's just search. I don't see anything for clean. So already theirs is different from mine. But that may not be true. I'm looking at the wrong thing too. Let's see. They're running npx cmake.js compile -t add-on.node b release. Let's see what we get. Okay. They get some deprecation warnings. Building only. That's all right. Downloads the thing. Okay, so I guess they don't do the clean, which is interesting. Or that may be because I'm running it for the nth time. So that may be it. So we're gonna copy that. All right, so this is going to be Whisper CPP. GitHub. And then we'll take this, which I think I copied the info too. Hopefully I did. If not, I'll have to redo it. Yep, I did. Perfect. So info run. And then we're going to say this is, I forget. I need a file name. So mine is different. Very different. Something doesn't make sense about this. Oh, it's building CP. Okay, all right. No, that's, I don't want to see that right now. I only want to see. Actually, where do I call this? I'm looking for where it calls CMake. Here it is. Okay, I was in the wrong section. Where was I at? Dependencies. I thought I closed that. Maybe I didn't. Okay, this is the right thing. All right. No wonder. All right, so let's copy the right piece of this. Why is it not letting me select? So this is going to be the GitHub side. There we go. All right, that's a little bit better. Can't make it bigger, man. I guess I can't make the text in the thing bigger. That sucks. All right, well, I can barely see it myself, but maybe we'll just tolerate it. And there's newer version. We'll get this newer version. Yeah, let's not install that yet. So differences are, I have a -e, not sure what that means. I have a remove directory, the build. Oh wait, hold on. I think I understand. I think I see what's going on here. That's clean. Clean is this. Okay, all right, let me delete clean. We don't want that. I only want configure. Info command configure. Yeah, that's what I want. So I'll copy that here too, just so that it's clear to me. So we want configure, cmd configure, and then we'll delete all of this. There we go. Now we're comparing the same stuff. All right. So they're given info. I'm not given info, which is fine. They are calling Whisper CPP. CMake homework Whisper CPP. No warrant unused. So I think maybe I should be doing that too. And let's see if they have anywhere where they are actually calling their thing. Just got home, so Wi-Fi is on. Oh, so yeah, 1440p. Yeah, 1440p normally looks decent enough. That's normally what I stream in, because I think it looks, it's a good balance. But I can only stream to YouTube if I do 4K. All right, so my CSX flags are irrelevant. JSLab lib is irrelevant. Architecture, all these are irrelevant. So in effect, there's no difference between mine and theirs. Except they're not actually building this right here. At least theirs is different from mine. Theirs is looking into Whisper CPP. Let's see where. Yeah, they're building this file here, Whisper CPP. Yeah, let's take a look at their work thing. So they're doing the same thing. This is the thing right here. Why does their output look so different from mine? And also, why does their stuff not even work for their own? Like, this doesn't even work for their stuff. Let's go into, we'll just go back a few directories. Whisper. So in their own examples here, if we go into Node and we install the things and we run their command straight up, it won't work for them. It doesn't even work for them. So let's take my change that I did, where I point to where some of the files may be at. I think that was in my CMake list. Which list? There should be one for Node, maybe. Why don't I see it? Oh, here we are. This. So if we take this thing, include directories, path to Whisper. I'm gonna ignore that for now. Maybe that's why mine is broken too. So I'm gonna take this and we'll go back to here and put it in there. Oops. So we're looking at the CMake lists for add-on node. That. So we'll dump it here and let's see if that makes a difference. Oh no, that should have made a difference. Add-on node. No, wait, that should have definitely made a difference. CMake module path. Users, IML, Shepherd, code and color, YT, bot, Whisper, CPP. CMake. Yeah, that should work. Did not find default target options. Alright, now what? I am pretty sure this is the correct directory. What? Yeah, there's definitely a default target options right there. At line 13. Am I looking at the right thing? Error at CMake list text 13 include cannot find requested file default. Okay, this is this line. Is it using the latest version? Is this saved? Oh, maybe that was on the wrong line, maybe. Nope, still not working. All right, what the fuck? I don't know. This is working less well than mine. I was able to find this in my version. And it shouldn't matter because this is a full path. So this should work. I don't know. Well, I am going to go now. I don't see any progress being made here. So yeah, it turns out that getting this running on my machine is going to be a bit of a challenge, but that's okay. At least there's a path forward. I just got to untangle this mess. All right. Well, with that, hopefully y'all have a good night. I may be back tomorrow, second half of the day. We'll see. I have a couple meetings, so maybe I won't, but we'll see. Anyways, y'all have a good rest of the night. Peace.